All right. So today we are going to take a look at something which is very, very useful for all of you. Okay. It's called as mind mapping. Okay. So it's known as mind mapping, and it will be very useful for you when you take notes, or if you want to think of some topic, you want to have an idea about a particular topic or something like that, you will be able to use this technique. So a mind map is usually like this. Okay, and then you have branches, and like say, give me a topic. Okay, plants. Can you give me different things about plants? Whatever comes to your mind about plants. Mind map is basically a way of organizing ideas, organizing topics like that. Go ahead. Okay, Parikshit is saying root, stem, leaves. Okay, parts of a plant. That's good. Okay, so that's one idea. Okay, one section. We can talk about parts of a plant. Then that's good. Uses. Okay, uses. Types of plants. Very good. How plants work. Yeah, very good. So how they function. Growth of plants, stages, that's good. Okay, fine, that's nice. All right, so this is enough. Now, what we will do is, we will try and expand these. The same thing, if you do a list, it may not appear so, the relationships may not appear very clearly. So here the relationships are appearing very clearly. Oh, this is level 1. These are all level 1 ideas. And then these are level 2 ideas. Okay, then these are level 3 ideas. These are all level 3. Okay, now let's take one more level 2 and we'll expand. Here you can further go to level 4, level 5, you can keep on expanding.
Do you want to maximize your mind's creative potential and generate brilliant ideas? Tony Buzan is a best-selling author and world-renowned expert on creativity, learning and memory. He has helped millions of people across the world unlock their potential with his intuitive thinking tool, the Mind Map. So, what are mind maps?
These are techniques for thinking that over 40 years and thousands of years of experience and research have been found to be the ways in which we think most effectively. And I studied neurophysiology, I studied psychology, I studied psycholinguistics, I studied pre-medicine, I studied the notes of the great thinkers, and I studied myself, what actually worked for me and what didn't. And over the 40 years evolved the mind map.
Mind maps are easy to create and effective. We start with an eye-catching central image in the middle of a blank page. We then create branches that radiate out from this image and reflect your ideas.
You start a mind map with an image in the center. Why an image? Picture is worth 1,000 words, stimulates memory, stimulates associations, stimulates your thought. From the central image, the second law is main curvilinear branches. These emanate from the central image. Those main branches are curvilinear because thinking is natural, it's organic, and the curvilinear branch attracts the brain more. Those branches, which are called in psychology, in idiomatic language, the BOIs, the basic ordering ideas, are fundamentally the chapter headings of your thought. From those branches emanate, not hanging off the ends, but emanating from the main branches, the BOIs, the chapter headings, emanate these second level ideas. From those, the third level, from those, the fourth level, and very quickly you realize that the mind map as a manifestation of your thought is an infinite thinking process. You can go on adding branches to this branch forever. You can go on adding branches to this branch forever. So the mind map reflects the fact that potentially your thinking, your intelligences are infinitely capable of generation.
Add only one key word to each branch, avoiding phrases or sentences.
Wherever you can, and this should be basically everywhere, one key idea per branch. Why one and not two? Why not a phrase? The reason is that each key idea, each key word, each key image is like a little exploding supernova. So every one radiates out associations. And when you're building a mind map, you want each one of those supernovas of meaning to have the freedom to generate ideas. If you put them in phrases, it's like putting your hand in a cast. You rigidify all the joints, which is what makes your arm and hand such a phenomenally competent tool. Similarly with the mind map, the single word per line rule actually gives you more explosive freedom, more explosive creativity.
To make your map more effective, you should use colour and stimulating images throughout.
The mind map triggers. It uses colour instead of monochrome. Colours, plural. Do you like colours? Of course you do. And a colour is a thinking tool. It's not some childish thing. Colour allows you to order, to discriminate, to code, to highlight, to generate thought, to remember. It's an ultimate thinking tool if used well, and especially in the context of the mind map. Images throughout. Same as for the central image, a picture is worth 1,000 words. So if you have images throughout your mind map, then you are going to automatically have more powerful memory, more stimulation, more interest, more generative thought.
Mind mapping has been proven to boost your productivity, creativity, memory and comprehension, and can be used for almost anything, from planning and organising tasks to generating ideas and presenting. Visit our website at thinkbuzan.com to find out more.
Welcome to Moo Math and Science and Welcome to Moo Math and Science and Day 8 of the Tiny Steps Study Challenge. Today we are going to convert some of your notes into a mind map. A mind map is one way to condense your notes and help you visualize your notes. You can easily convert 2 or 3 pages of notes into a single mind map, which can be used to help you prepare for a test later. We are going to create a single, simple mind map. First, find a page of your recent notes from one of your classes. Second, create a mind map from these notes. Here are a couple guidelines about mind maps. First, place the main topic in the middle. You can write the topic or you can draw it. Next, create branches from this main topic in the middle, and these are your subtopics. And then you can create branches from your subtopics. You can draw pictures or you can just write it out. Remember, there are not any rules. Create something that works for you. Some people like to have lots of pictures. Other people like to have a minimum amount of pictures, or maybe no pictures. You can also use a program called mindmapfree.com that can help you create your mind map. Once a mind map is created, you can use the mind map to help you study for your next test. That's it for today. As always, remember to check the video notes below for more resources and get started on creating a mind map. They are helpful and really pretty fun to create. Thanks for watching. Hopefully see you tomorrow, and Moo Math uploads a new math, science, and study video every day.
In fact, the ultimate tool if you want to order and organize your thoughts. You're just thinking about something that you want to capture. Even in management, they use mind maps. So it's a very, very powerful tool.